So now we'll proceed with the stratified random sampling. So it is another type of a random sampling. When we say stratified random sampling, it can be done by proportional allocation or equal allocation. So before we start, we have to identify what is a stratified random sampling. It is a population that is divided into different subgroups or stratas that is based on some shared characteristics. So we have here an example of strata. So it can be gender, educational attainment, age, ethnicity, profession, and etc. So now we'll proceed with a simple example of a stratified random sampling. So we can see the whole example right here. Here we have this group of people that is called population. So we have 14 overall people in a population. So this group of people was divided into strata that is gender, which is male and female. So we have a whole population here, which is 14, and number of sample size we need is 10. So we have here 9 divided by 14, multiply it to 10, then we have 6. The same thing, 5 divided by 14 times it to 10, then we'll have 4. Then there we have our sample size, which is 10. Here is another example. The researchers want to identify the course preference of the 60 students from each specific strand, STEM, ABM, and TUMS, answering new high students. There are 40 students in grade 11 STEM, 20 in grade 11 TUMS, 30 in grade 11 ABM, 45 in grade 12 STEM, 25 in grade 12 UMS, and 15 in grade 12 ABM. So in this situation, we have 60 students as our sample size, and our strata is divided into different strands. So we have to add it to have our whole population. So we will come up with 175. And we'll use this kind of formula, which is stratum number divided by the number of population multiplied to the sample size that we need. We have here our whole table. So it is divided into stratus in the whole population, number of students per stratum, at saka yung sample size na kailangan natin. So let's proceed with the real things. We're going to divide 40 to the 175, multiply it to 60, we'll have 14. So the same thing, 20 divided by 175, multiply to 60, then we'll have 10. 30 divided by 175 times 60, then we'll have 7. Things go around, so ganun din yung process, and we'll achieve our sample size, which is 60. And then there is another process then that's what we call equal allocation. So we have a sample size that is 60, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of strata. So 60 divided by 6, that is equals to 10. So we will have 10 sample sizes or 10 students on each stratus. So we have the same answer.
To get the sample size, first we need to get the population. To get the population, we need to add 340 males and 500 females. So the total is 840. In the next step, we need to calculate the number per stratum. So how do we do this? First, we will take the male population, which is 340, then the same for females, then the total of our population, which is 840, will be the total. And that will be the way to get the sample size. To get the sample size, we need to divide the number of strata in our population, which is 340 divided by 840, then times by 50, and the answer will be 20. Then 500 divided by 840 times 50 is equal to 30. So we need to add 20 and 30. So 20 plus 30 is 50. So our sample size is 50.